Another farming airdrop is here for you guys. Another farming airdrop called salt. Yeah, this one is not about tapping. This one is farming. Just after some few minutes time, you come back, you click claim, then you will restart it again and you keep on farming for you. After some hours again, you come back, you claim it. It's very easy and very simple, guys. So grab this opportunity. It's so early right now so that you can accumulate a lot of coins. Grab this opportunity now. This is another extra games task. Enter here and complete your task, then invite to increase your coins, guys. This airdrop, they just released this airdrop newly, so airdrop hunters just be hunting left and right. This particular one, you don't have to be stressing yourself. All you have to do is just after some hours you come back, you click claim. As you can see, I click claim right now. Then I will start it again by clicking on this farm. I click on the farm. Yeah, we start farming again. So in next 3 hours, as you can see here, next 3 hours I will come back and reclaim it again, and my course will be reading for me. It's not stressful, very easy task. This is the game. You can play the tickets. Yeah, these are the 20 tickets. Play it, very easy, guys. So try and rush this task. This a drop right here. Complete your task, you claim. It's a new airdrop, guys. So new farming airdrop. Try as much as possible to come and accumulate your coins, as this particular airdrop is just new fresh airdrop. So do this and thank me later. So guys, try follow, like and comment. Make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and more information. Like this video, guys.